Yo, what's up guys? Oh, this looks nice when we're outdoors and stuff. We are currently checking out the homies' little pop-up thing on the street. We're gonna go shop around, see what people have. It's just more of a vintage thing, so just showing some love to the homies. And I'm with the beautiful lady once again. There's it. Oh, they got the first booth right there. Nice hat, bro. This is swaggy ass. How you doing, my guy? Are we doing, nice. We doing fist bumps or are we doing?
B-Flake Supply is in the house.
What's up, my guy? How are you doing?
Chilling. I know these people.
What's up? What's up?
Hey, shoes, guy. Oh, is that what you're doing?
We can't even see because of shadow.
Hey, you see the socks though?
Oh, the socks though? Alright guys, I'm not a Celtics fan, but this jacket kind of cold. You got Yeezus merch?
Yeah, medium.
Bro, you hate to love it. Being a Laker fan. Shit's fire, bro. Looking around, is it
Cron Butler.
Karan? Oh, dude, I thought it was a Jordan Farmar, bro. I would have caught.
It's still pretty dope.
I met him.
Oh, bro?
Yeah, Yoj.
And his tracksuit kind of fire.
I told Shane I'd cop this if it was an XL. You know why?
I don't know why.
I used to drive one.
Did you?
Yeah. Alright, Shane took us to this random taco
It's not
spot.
random. Go on Yelp. How many stars? How many dollar signs? This might look like 4.5, but it's really 5.
Alright guys, I forgot to film the food.
Wow.
It was good though.
It's fucking loud.
If you love guac,
If you love guac,
definitely go there. They don't charge you extra.
yeah, I for sure forgot to film the food, but hey, it was really good. It's right next to the Stratosphere.
Yeah, right next to the Topless Cabaret.
All right. Alright you guys, so we are back at the crib now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little vlog in the beginning. It was just a cool little meetup for random vendors to go ahead and get together and sell their vintage gear. Shout out to the homies Dan and Christian. If you guys want to go ahead and check out their Instagrams, I'll put it right here. Sorry I wasn't able to cop anything. Your boy's been really picky with his decisions and pickups lately, so I just wanted to show love, wanted to show up, pop a face in, and yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that vlog. But to end off this video, we are going to do an unboxing or unbagging from Richie Lee's collection. Your boy's been waiting to open this, so let's just go ahead and do it on camera right now. If you guys are still tuned in, I appreciate you guys. If you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Let's get this video up to 40 likes and maybe 10 comments. A lot of turnaround on the videos. I've been trying to push more, so thank you guys for all the support. And yeah, let's just hop into this. I'm sorry if I'm talking a lot. Alright you guys, so like I said, I've been holding on to this bag for a while. I've been wanting to open it, but I wanted to open it on camera. So we are going to go ahead and do that right now. Your boy was able to purchase 3 items out of the 10 or so. I'm not too sure how many items there were, but I didn't want to spend too much and drop a bag. So your boy was able to pick up 3 items out of the 10 or 12 or so. The 2 items I do regret not picking up would be the washed denim and then also the washed maroon t-shirt. Low-key, that t-shirt was pretty fire. But I was able to purchase 3 of these. I purchased 2 cargos and a t-shirt. I'm actually really excited to see the quality and everything like that. I'm sure you guys saw the videos of them wearing it and all that jazz. So I'm not going to put it on yet. But we'll go ahead and start off with one of the cargos. This is the green cargo. I've heard good things about the quality on this, so let's just see how they are. Nice little bagging, perfect. So you have the Richie Lee tag right here, which is pretty clean. And so here's the green cargos. I saw Harrison Neville and Richie Lee and then Tantan posting these, and honestly, I was super excited to buy these. This was my first item that I wanted to cop. I got a size medium Richie Lee collection. As far as the quality goes, they are super soft. They're not like your normal minimal pants, because the minimal ones were just like non-stretch. Didn't feel like nice and correct, I guess you can say. I'm not too sure if that's nice and correct. I don't fucking get it. But yeah, they just feel nice. I'm super excited to have these on, and they look dope as far as coloring and stuff. With the minimal pair, I did sell on my web store, and I'm happy someone was able to purchase that. But as far as the color and quality goes, this feels a lot better than the minimal pair, and I'm actually super excited to add these to the rotation. So I'm not gonna post these on my body or anything. I'm just gonna throw them in the closet and wear them whenever I'm ready to. If you guys want me to make a separate video on it, maybe I can, just because the H&M video got a lot of good response and a lot of good views and likes and stuff like that. So thank you guys for the love on that video. But if you guys would like to see a separate video on the Richie Lee collection, let me know. But for now, I'm just gonna be putting these in the closet. I'm actually super excited to have these. This is the black pair. I've been wearing my PacSun pair a lot, so it's nice to have this in the rotation as well. So there you guys go. Both cargo denims. I'm super excited about it because they have more pockets than your normal cargo pant would. So I like that detail. They have one at the bottom of the leg as well, if you guys can see that. But yeah, so last but not least, the last thing that I picked up would be this nice little wash t-shirt that I'm super excited about. Vintage wash tee. I was actually super excited to order this. Like I said, I wish I got the maroon pair. I wish I was able to drop another 40 bucks on a t-shirt at the time. But with this t-shirt, it's literally like a biker t-shirt that I flipped inside out, just to, you know, not show the graphic, and I like how it is. So I'm super excited to actually have a t-shirt without graphics on the inside. You can wear this t-shirt both ways, like they said in the video, but I'm probably gonna wear it like this. It just has the tearaway tag that you rip off if you're gonna wear it. It says tearaway, which is pretty cool. I like that little detail. I like the collar on this t-shirt. Super nice. And then on the back you have the Richie Lee stamp, kind of like the Fear of God-esque look. And then you have the Richie Lee tag right here. I wish they kind of blew this up more. It's kind of small. But yeah, so super excited about this t-shirt. I'm probably gonna wear this shirt. So with my overall thoughts on the Richie Lee collection, I honestly feel like it's pretty worth it. With the H&M cargos that I have and the minimal cargos that I have, they don't feel anything like this, and I like all the details that they have as well. I honestly feel like they did put a good amount of time in making this stuff, just because they give you a different look with the quality and everything. I love the color on this, it's perfect. And then you have the black pair as well. It's kind of like washed. I'm not too sure if you guys can see that in the sun. But my favorite item would probably be the t-shirts, just because I feel like this would fit super nicely with that neck being extra thick. This one is a little thin and it's kind of weird if you guys can tell a difference, but honestly, overall with the collection, I think it's worth it for any future drop. If you're considering purchasing anything, go ahead and try at least purchase one item and see how you like it. But based off they went on the whole drop, I really liked how they gave other YouTubers their own little twist to post whatever they want. Alright you guys, so that wraps it up for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. I would like to get this video to 40 likes and maybe 10 comments. I really like the interaction with you guys, so if you guys comment anything, I really like to comment back, so go ahead and do so. If you guys aren't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe as well so we can grow the channel. A little update with the web store, I did change the domain name. I'm currently working through a rebranding process right now, so if you guys want to go ahead and still shop with me on my web store, I'll put it up right here. I made everything on Shopify, and I promise I'm just trying to push out a better web store and a better checkout experience for you guys. So let me know what you guys think about the new web store and stuff like that. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Y'all have a good one. Peace. Check out all the links down below. Appreciate y'all. Deuces. Alright you guys, I'm not too sure if you guys really check in on the end of these videos, but if you guys do, go ahead and leave a comment. Leave a comment saying snowboard, and then I'll know you guys watched to the end of the video. But also, let me know what you guys think about this new setup. Your boy, you know, just wanted to make the videos better and stuff like that by setting up a better background. I have the Cause and Kith, you know, candle and the Cause figure right there. New desk setup as well. So let me know what you guys think. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like I said, if you're tuning in right now, I love y'all. Peace.